Hello everyone, this is Bill from Warmstrong Adventures. Today we're going to be talking about some of the things that you can't bring on a Carnival cruise ship. Have you ever wondered what you could or could not bring on a cruise ship? Coming up, we'll be talking about the things that you cannot bring on because they are prohibited.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
I get asked, what can't you bring on a cruise ship from people in my chats? Today we're going to discuss some of those items. Not all of them, but a majority of the most common sense ones. But we're going to go over them anyway. Starting with number one. Number one, leave the weapons at home. Guns, knives, anything that you use as a weapon, leave at home, please. Carnival is not going to let you bring that onto their cruise ship. And while we're talking about weapons, we're going to talk about these dangerous sprays, the mace, the bear sprays, acid, anything that you can incapacitate somebody with a chemical, you can't bring on board. So please leave that at home. Also, handcuffs are going to be put into this category too, because if you can detain somebody, it's going to be illegal on this ship. I wonder why people would bring these on board, but Carnival Security has seen it all. Next, we're going to move to illegal drugs, narcotics, the synthetic drugs, designer drugs, all those illegal drugs. Don't bring them. They're prohibited. And that's going to include medical marijuana. I know some of you are going to say, oh, I got a condition. I need my medical marijuana. Prohibited. Medical marijuana is for some states. However, you're going outside the country and federal laws will prevail. Leave the medical marijuana at home. That's also going to include CBD. I know it's legal here, but some of the ports that we go to, CBD is not legal. So don't bring that also, even for your bad joints. Next thing we're going to talk about are some of the fish that you might catch while you're out there on a Carnival cruise excursion. So let's say you take an excursion, a deep sea fishing excursion, catch a fish. You want to take it home. No can do. You won't be bringing that onto the Carnival ship. That fish, you're going to have to ship it home. It's not allowed to come back through the Carnival ship or the port. We're going to move on to those shoes with wheels on it. I think they're called wheelies. Prohibited. Don't bring them. Carnivals, they do not want those on the ship. So please leave those at home. I know the kids may love them. I know it may be easy to get around for them. Nope, prohibited. Leave them at home. Now we're going to come up to the most dangerous one. The one that puts fear in everybody's heart that cruises. And we're talking about fire. So with that being said, candles, hookahs, they are prohibited. Don't bring them. I know those candles seem like a romantic ideal. They are strictly prohibited. That open flame is a no-no. Who doesn't like a good hookah? Apparently, Carnival. They do allow cigarette smoking on some parts of the ship, but please make sure you extinguish your cigarette correctly and the matches or the lighter, please. Carnival does allow for extension cords and some power strips as long as they're not surge protected. If it's surge protected, they will be prohibited and not allowed on the ship. I know some of you bring your clothes on and your fancy duds and you want to make sure there are no wrinkles in it. Irons are not allowed, or those little portable steamers. You're not going to be able to bring that. Most of the Carnival cruise ships do have ironing rooms that you can go iron your clothes, but you cannot bring your own little personal steamer or your personal iron. Speaking of small appliances, little portable coffee pots, hot plates, heated blankets, those things, prohibited. Don't bring them. So the small appliances from home that you might want to bring, your personal blender, leave it at home. Just for general reference, usually anything with a heating element is going to be prohibited. There are some exceptions, and in the description I'll give you the link to the exceptions to the rules for Carnival. And again, most of this is for Carnival cruise lines. There are some exceptions, like drones and some scuba diving gear. You'd have to leave that with security. You won't be able to take it to your room, but you can check it in and out as you enter a port. In the description of the video, if you hit the link, it'll tell you everything you need to know as far as what's prohibited and what's not. If there's anything that you want to find out that you don't know or I didn't cover, please leave it in the comment and I will get back with you and try to find an answer for you. I appreciate you stopping by. And again, if you happen to like this video, you think it was helpful, please share it out, hit that like button, and subscribe. And get ready for the next adventure on a Carnival cruise line.